Okay, thanks for joining our free online lesson. And for today's topic, I'm going to show and going to demonstrate how Plant 3D and BIM Collaborate Pro working together and how you can work together properly with your team. Okay, so let's go straight away to the topics. So for those that are working with a Plant 3D, basically, if you want to work with a different company, different people, okay, for example, I have a multiple country that working with the same file, then we need to have at least AutoCAD Plant 3D plus BIM Collaboration Pro. Okay, so for today's topic, basically, I will show you on how to get started on creating this kind of project and what are the benefit of dealing with this. Okay, so I have two different accounts right now that I try to log in. The first one will be I will log in to my own account, which is Shafiq Farhan at acadsystem.com. And then I currently remote my another laptop, which is using the Acad user account. So which is right now I'm using two different Plant 3D account and want to check and want to see how we able to start with this Plant 3D with collaboration project. So first thing first, how to differentiate the current normal Plant 3D project and the existing BIM collaboration model, which we collaborate with the Plant 3D. So if you go to your Plant 3D on the left section here, the project manager. So when you go to here, anything that with these symbols are using BIM collaboration while without any symbol or you save it locally, either you save into your server or so on. Okay, so this will be have some benefit if you're working with different people that not located in the same place. Okay, so this will be a very good benefit method. So how to start with creating this thing? So the first thing, we need to create a new project. Okay, if you have a current project, also you can try to push it into the BIM collaboration project. So the rules here, you need to have Plant 3D and collaboration. So I just need to go to here. Okay, I try to make it a new project, new BIM collab. Okay, and then hit next. Okay, so choose whatever setting that you prefer. Okay, and then once your project already created, so just need to create one dummy file from your project. Okay, so since over here you don't have any file yet, so basically you can create a dummy file. Okay, so this one I try to make it as a sample. So this will be the sample drawing. Okay, so throughout our Plant 3D, so they will have one button, one tab, we call it as a collaborate. Okay, since this file, I want to share it to different team members. So what I need to do, I just need to go to my share project. So using the Plant Collaboration panel, click on this share project. So over here, I can hit the get started. And then we will be forced to save our file. Okay, so over here, basically, we can just check whatever project that integrated to our account. So in this case, I will use Acad system, and then I can choose whatever project that I prefer. Okay, so how to create this project? Basically, you need to go back to your ACC, which is Autodesk Construction Cloud, to create the project. So in this case, I try to upload to here. Okay, so normally this thing will take a bit time. If you try to upload a bigger project that already have a lot of drawing, it will take a longer time. Okay, so but if you are dealing with a new fresh drawing, so I can say that it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete. So once everything completed, so go back to your ACC account. So I just go to acc.autodesk.com. Okay, so over here, before we start, we need to monitor our team members and the rules for our project, for each project. So via our ACC account, so try to go to your project. So this will be the link for the project. Okay, hold on. Okay, right now I'm running a few things one time. Okay, so this still running because I try to transfer all the spec together. Okay, while my account here, I just need to log into my account. Why so laggy here? Okay, so I try to log into my account, and then from here we just need to check into our project, is that the property members already included or not. Okay, and then you need to also make sure that the BIM Collaboration Pro we already assigned to specific person that we want. Okay, for example, I already worked with this file, right? So when I had hit on this project, okay, when I hit on this project, basically we can add the members, do the setting, do all the configuration first before we start the proper project. Okay, so I will like to add one of my team members to make sure that my team members able to access the file which are not in the same place right now. Okay, so let's see, it's still running. Okay, so like I mentioned just now, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so go to here, go to the project admin. Okay, go to here, go to the project admin. Let's look. Project admin, and we will like to do setting for the project members. Okay, throughout the user side, if the user want to access or want to open the file, make sure they are logged in using this right account. Okay, and then what next? What they need to do, they just need to go to here, open collaboration project. Okay, so since this user are not have this collaboration software yet, because we did not assign yet. Okay, so I need to have sometimes, I'm not sure why this portal is quite slow right now. Okay, let me check. Is that my internet connection slow, or oh, I think my internet connection slow, very slow right now. Okay, so if you already completed this thing, right? Give me a second. Okay, so if you already completed the project here, so what next you do, you will see that the symbol will be appear as a BIM collaboration symbols. Okay, so that will be the first thing that you will need to see. And then you also need to set up your team members inside your ACC account. Okay, inside your ACC account. Okay, finally. Right, so over here, I will like to insert one or a few members here more. So I can just get directly click on this add member. Okay, and then just try to add the email, Acad user one, okay, at sheffield500.com, and then press enter. Okay, so over here, this user will be project member, and product, I will give this account as all this button, model coordination, and also design coordination, and just send invite. Okay, so adding members, this will this will take a few minutes, okay, to solve, right? So over here, still working, and then now my project already completed, and it already published into the BIM, the ACC, the Autodesk doc. Okay, so I already invite my members also. When I hit OK, so the symbol already changed to this symbol. Okay, so now in terms of my user account, so what I need to do basically, I need to go to the Plant 3D again. So try to re-log in again into this email address. Okay, so when I go to this Plant 3D, for sure, if you already use the proper email, it will direct open the software. Okay, it will grab the license using the right email. But in case you are not logged in, you need to log in using the right email that already assigned the BIM Collaboration Pro. Okay, the model coordination and also the design coordination. Okay, so over here, I also already use the right account. So what I need to do, I need to open to the collaboration file. So just go to here, open collaboration project. Okay, let me check if my user here already have access. Okay, I see that this one already have access. Let me check again. Autospec. I already invite him. Okay, let me check into my account. Yeah, I think because of different email, but it's okay basically. Right. So in terms of user, basically what will happen when I try to open the file, basically it will help me to when I try to create something. Okay, for example, when I try to make a new drawing, so this one is a new drawing. So go to here. Okay, it will save for sure. It will save to my folder tab, right? So when I try to click save and then close the drawing, okay, so this will be the drawing right now is not in the server. Okay, so this will be available to check out, and then this will be not in the server. So what we need to do, we need to check in the file into the cloud. Okay, so since we are working with the local file, right? So what happened over here, you will see that this file will be pushed into the cloud. Okay, and then when I go to your docs, okay, into using the same project, okay, using the Plant 3D project, when you go to your docs, later what you will see here, so this will be the new BIM project, and then inside my 3D model, they will have one new drawing, and it will appear as a different version. Okay, version 1, version 2. If you have a lot of people that working with same file, so the benefit here, when people working with this sample drawing, when they try to double click and open the file, what happened? Other people will see that this file will be locked, and then will mention that check out by who. Okay, and then for this case, if you try to draw something, okay, for example, I try to draw 6-inch pipe, 1, 2, okay, go up here, and then I try to save and check in the file. Okay, when I, even though I just click close, it will help me to check in the file again. So since this file already in the cloud, whenever that I save, it will check in the file. Okay, so it will take a few seconds to update into the V2 file. Okay, so the good things here, we are able to compare between our V1 and V2 direct file here. Okay, so this will be my V2 file. Okay, this will be my V1 file, which is 0, not current, and this will be the current file. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, I will like to add more. So go again, make it as a V3. Okay, so try to add some more pipe here. Okay, so try to add some more pipe. And then over here, I try to delete something. Okay, so just save and close. Okay, so again, check in again. So later we will try to compare between your 3D model and the cloud base. Okay, so now already updated into the V3. Okay, so still loading for the V3 file. Okay, so V3 completed. Okay, so and basically we can do a lot of things here for those that are already familiar with this review, transmittal issue, and so on. it will can be worked inside this thing. Okay, so BIM collaboration, the key point here for those that want to join the Plant 3D, that direct working with the cloud, you need to have BIM Collaboration Pro. But if you only want to deal with this thing, okay, you just need to have the docs, and then just enter your invite your email into the same project name. Okay, so that will be the tips here. Okay, the next thing here, if I want to do some markup or some additional info here, so in this case I want to draw here. Okay, this will be my 3D model, so this will be my 2D view. I try to do some markup here, markup, okay, and then publish. And whenever that I do the markup and publish, okay, so it will appear into the file, basically, okay, into the file, directly into the file, and then we can directly create the issue and review. Okay, so this will be the markup, one published markup that already mentioned here. Okay, so for the review purpose, if I want to make a review, normally we need to do setting for the review workflow first. So one step review, okay, and then for those that, okay, one, okay, that will be who will be the person that need to approve my review, my drawing. Okay, so this will be the initiator. So normally this will be the user email. Okay, and then the second one will be the admin email. So in this case, I will use this email. Okay, and approve within how many days. Okay, and after completed, just hit save. Okay, so over here, when you go back to this review tab, just hit on the review. So now you can just directly choose whatever drawing that you want people to review your drawing. So just hit review using the things that we already setting. So the final reviewer will be this thing, and test review 1. Okay, the PIC should receive an email. So if I change here, so I try to notify the user also, so I can just send the email notification. Okay, so what else that we can do basically using this one? So you can also do using this BIM Collaboration Pro plus Plant 3D. You can also do a class checking and also the model coordination and also design collaboration. Okay, so over here, when you have the design collaboration, right? Okay, so you need to insert the model. Okay, get started. So this will be the most important folder. Okay, so everything done here. Next, confirm and continue. Okay, so new team, just hit add. Okay, and then just hit next. So this one just need to create a setup and then create the team for my project. Okay, so my home, basically over here we can set up the timeline. Since we are dealing with this design collaboration, we can set up the timeline and create all the package in here. So I can just choose the model here, since the model are not included yet. So I need to go back to my docs, then look for the proper folder that working with. So the file will be working in the share file. So what I need to do, either I can just move, or basically we can do transmit that to that folder. So over here, I can just simply copy to this share folder. Okay, and then go back to my design collaboration. Okay, we can do a lot of coordination things in here. Okay, basically we can do a lot of coordination thing as long as you have the access of the Plant 3D and also the ACC collection with the BIM Collaboration Pro. Okay, but the key point here, basically, we just want to make sure that one user are working with another user. So that will be the key point here. Okay, let me check again. Is that the user already solved the issue? I think because of the license, I not assigned the user yet. Okay, give me a second. Let me test, because if you're not able to, okay, so go to here, account admin. Okay, look for these members. We try to check either this email already have the Acad user one. So this will be the BIM collaboration, right? So I give the access to BIM collaboration. So should be the user able to access the account already. Okay, so I go back to my home and then direct go to project. So for my user account, basically it already completed. Let's try again. Okay, let's try to close and reopen the Plant 3D. Okay, so hopefully that user already able to access, because I right now already add the user and then assign the product to the user. Okay, if we check here, basically the user already have the access of the BIM collaboration. Okay, so this will be for build. No, I want to have this one. Okay, still waiting. All right, so this will be, let me check account detail. So the email that I use and I assign will be Acad user one lionshafiqfarhan.com. So over here I using Acad user one. Okay, correct. Okay, and then over here we try to open collaboration project. Still not able to access. Okay, let me check one more time. Members. Go to Acad user one. Huh? Not completed. Okay, go back to project. Okay, and then I will like to go to my Plant 3D project. Okay, check on the members inside here. Acad user. Okay, already have all the access. Okay, basically everything is completed. Might be they have some delay. Okay, let me refresh a little bit. Let me try to open any of the drawing. Or maybe I can try to publish using this account also. So I try to open one of the file here. So this will be the example file that if you plan to publish here, you can go to just the same, go to collaboration, share project. Still not update yet. So I think they have some delay here. Or maybe I need to go to the email and then get the access first from the email. Okay. So, but the idea here, once two-person into from two different PC or two different location working together, okay, so the file will need to be checked in and checked out as always. Okay, so means one file cannot be opened from more than one person at one time. So that would be the benefit dealing with this BIM Collaboration Pro. Okay, so I believe that will be the things that I would like to share, because they have some issue on my account right now. I'm not sure why I cannot access it. Or maybe I try to log into my email here. Hold on. Okay, last try. I try to log into my own email. Okay, so this one I try to log out. Okay, so this Plant 3D, basically I try to open two. Okay, for my current PC, I will log in as a user, but for my remote PC, I will log in as a admin. Okay, so this will be my current PC. So I will log in as this email. Okay, go to products, open. Okay, while for my current PC, automatic login, because currently I running the cloud, right? Okay, so over here, if I deal with this, my project, right? So this one is a different PC. So basically the cloud project also able to be open here. We just need to go here and then just directly open the collaboration project, which is the project that we save into the cloud. Okay, so I go to here and then look for whatever file that I plan to open. So look for a file and then directly open the file. Okay, so over here, I try to go to this plant 3D, which is the same project, and then open the project. Okay, so this will be also need to be wait for a while for the user perspective, because they will have a lot of things need to be downloaded here. Okay, just now at the beginning of our FOL, so somebody tried to push some project into the cloud. Right now, so we want user want to download to their local and then working into their local here. Okay, so anyone that working here will able to see the file. Okay, available to check out, file missing in the workspace. So this one check out by you. So you need to basically check in again or undo checkout. Okay, so undo checkout, the change will be lost. So no problem. Okay, so they will have few buttons here. So if everyone try to check out the file, then you can work it fine. Okay, so that will be my sharing for today's session. So thanks for joining our free online lesson. So if you have any question, okay, don't forget to go to our website and then go to the chat section. So try to give some chat to our team members. Okay, so thanks for your time. Okay, see you in next free online